Oh no, there's a spider in there. There's a spider on here, Mommy.
Okay.
I wanted to make a video of it. Where's my camera? Hey, Bill. What? I know where it is. I think it's a Kit-Coo now.
It's a chrysalis. It's getting its skin off now. Bill, hold still.
I need an itch.
Okay, hold on. It's almost done. There it goes. Skin's off. Pretty cool.
I'm itching really bad.
Where at?
On my elbow. Can you stop it now?
Hold on.
I need it. Josiah, it's too late.
Well, I can still do some of it. It's not too late.
Mommy, it's itching really
Alright,
bad.
go ahead and put it back.